Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install customer order sample schema in Oracle Database 21C Enterprise Edition. This is my Oracle home directory, Oracle 21C. So under that demo schema, you can see that customer order schema is already extracted. So it contains SQL files. So under that co_main.sql. So this is the starting point of CO customer order schema installation. So this SQL file has 4 parameters. So let us see what are they during the installation. Okay, now let us begin the customer order schema installation. So sysdba. So before proceeding the install, check that orclpdb is online. So yes, it's online and it's in read-write mode. Okay, now I am going to log in as orclpdb. Sys at orclpdb as sysdba. Okay, so I have logged in as a sys user into ORCL pluggable database directly. Okay, now let me execute that co_main.sql. So first parameter is password. Second parameter is connection string. That will be orclpdb. Third parameter is table space name, which will be users. Fourth parameter is temporary table space name, which will be temp. That's it. Yes. So customer order sample schema installed successfully. So I didn't see any errors here. Let me try in SQL Developer. Yes, I can able to log in, and also I can able to browse the database objects. Let me try one sample query. Yes, I can able to select order items table. Now let me try in sqlplus. Let me try to log in directly as a CO user. Yes, CO at orclpdb is able to connect. Okay. So customer order schema installation is successful in Oracle Database 21C Enterprise Edition. So make sure that all the four parameters you given during the installation is correct. That's it.